Kuzuzangpola, I am Charo. I am your support assistant. In this video, I will be showing you how to use MLHR-MIS for employers to register as an employer, post job vacancies, and recruitment. Now, let's open a web browser, but first, make sure your device is connected to the internet. Once your browser is open, type mis.mlhr.gov.bt to open the MLHR-MIS page. This is the home page of MLHR-MIS. Click on the Employers icon under Services to open the Employers page. This is the Employer page where you can view registered job seekers by job category, qualification, and course, or filter them by category, location, and qualification. How to register as an employer. Click on Register as Employer button and under the Employer details, select Employer type. Based on the employer type, the related fields will automatically be displayed. The fields marked with these are mandatory. Fill in the other fields and make sure that the information you provide is correct before you click the Submit button. Once you have filled in your information, click on Submit button and you will see an on-screen message with the application number informing you that your registration was successful. You will receive your login credentials through mobile SMS and the email address you've provided. Explore Employer Dashboard. On the top right corner, click on the Login button. In case you have lost your credentials, click on the Forgot Your Password link to reset your password. You have to provide the email used at the time of registration to reset your password. You can also use your user ID and registered mobile number to receive a new password through SMS. Provide your credentials and then click on Login. You will be taken to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you will find an overall number of your employees, notices from the ministry, and other features. Update profile and manage employee. On your left side, click on Employer. Here, you can update your employer profile information, contact details, and add other related business license details. Click on the Update button to save. Now, click on Manage Employee to manage your staff. You can add your existing employee by clicking the Add Employee button, filling up all the mandatory fields that are marked with these, and clicking the Submit button. You can also update employee details by clicking on the Edit button. Posting of vacancies and selecting applicants. Under Vacancy and Recruitment, you can create a vacancy announcement by clicking on Add Jobs. Please choose the vacancy type correctly. Vacancies of type Self needs to be approved by the ministry before it is published. For vacancy type Yelp, Youth Engagement and Livelihood Program, which is a support program from the ministry, where vacancy approval and shortlisting of applicants will be done by the ministry. You can view shortlisted applicants and carry out the final selection round. Once all information is provided, click Submit. Your newly created job vacancy will be posted on the job seeker page after it's approved by the ministry. It will also be listed under the menu Vacancy and Recruitment. You can view the applicant's details by clicking on the application number. To shortlist and select an applicant, choose Shortlist and select under the Action column and click the Confirm button to finalize. An SMS and email will be sent as soon as the action is taken, informing them that they are shortlisted or selected for that particular vacancy. You can also export the list by clicking on the Export button, which will generate an Excel file. In the Notification menu, you will find notifications from the ministry such as inspection notice, penalty notice, and other related information. Under the Service menu, by clicking on Submit ISR, you can upload your company's ISR or internal service rule. Click Select Files to upload your company's ISR file, add remarks, and click Submit. Your ISR will be reviewed by the ministry, and after approval, it will be reflected on View ISR under the Employer menu. If you would like to file a complaint about your employees or report an accident, click on Accident Reporting and Complaint. Finally, do not forget to click on the Logout button to log out from the system to prevent unauthorized people from getting access to your account. We have now reached the end of the tutorial on how to register as an employer, post vacancies and recruit employees through MLHR MIS. In the next videos, we will be showing you how to register as an overseas agent, announce overseas vacancies, and how to apply for foreign workers. If you have any questions, please contact the ICT division at ict@mlhr.gov.bt, Tashidalek and Kadinchela.